A safer community is a more productive community. That's why Aurora is committed to transforming Brooklyn into a better version of itself. Aurora Bank, investing in a stable future for everyone.
All right, everybody stay cool. We're just here to rob you. We don't want to hurt anybody. Hey, Chief. Aurora's got backup coming in hot. We gotta slow them down. Put the squeeze on that guy. Get him to close the security.
Okay, I'm doing it. Oh God, please don't kill me. I don't want to die. I just paid off the house.
Good shit. Let's get out there. Manny needs backup. What part of be cool don't these people understand?
You two done screwing around? This bank ain't gonna rob itself.
Fucking A, right? Okay, Chief. Alley-oop. Hear that? I think it's the money calling my name.
Focus, man. Take down those cops first. Go to jail or collect.
Oh, great. More of it. These guys just don't quit.
Don't hold back. We can't let them slow us down.
Piece of cake.
Only cake I'm interested in is what's stacked in the vaults.
We gotta blow this door ASAP. Do the honors, Chief. Plant the bomb. This is what it's all about, folks.
Get rich or die trying, am I right?
All yours, Chief. Plant those bombs.
This'll be quick and easy, just a bust and grab. So quick that no one's gonna see it coming.
Oh, man. My heart's pounding out of my chest.
Find some cover, quick!
All right. Brace yourselves. Time's a wasting. Grab what you can.
Hot damn, that's a lot of candy.
Enough to buy you a few Sundays in TJ, that's for sure.
I've only ever seen this much cash in my dreams. Guess they really do come true.
It'll turn into a nightmare if we don't get moving. Grab what you can and go. Shit! They're here.
This is Aurora Security Forces. We're coming in.
Damn it, time's up.
Consider using only
Cover me.
non-lethal
One
force.
shortcut to the sewers coming up.
Drop your weapons.
Just follow me.
Nice one, Chief. Buttery smooth.
The whole fucking highway blocked off. Chief, holy shit. Side for... I've been wheeling, I've been dealing. Opportunity abounds. And you and me, we're finally gonna make... I've got a place all set up for you. Come on, I'll fill you in. First, we need to get our hands on some wheels. This way, Chief. Check out the fresh whip. It's all yours. I mean, you know, after your jacket. I never got a chance to say thanks for taking the fall after that job. Straight up fearless. And I want you to know, I don't take it for granted. You always looked out for me. Ever since we was just kids running around breaking balls. Now that you're out, we're gonna get you the respect you deserve. I got your back, Chief. Always. Or it needs to be put in their place. Plain and fucking simple. These are our streets, not theirs. And we owe them one. Hell, we owe them a few. For the bank heist, for the time you've done, for Manny, and I can't think of anyone better to lead the charge than you. Bank job blew some hella circuits over at Aurora. They took it real personal, cracking down on Brooklyn like you had never fucking seen. Yeah, but all ain't lost. As you can imagine, the Brooklyn shot callers, not too pleased about Aurora's so-called gentrification initiatives. We've got friends, and when we don't got friends, we got the potential to make them.
Suspicious vehicle spotted. Go, go, go!
See, this is the shit I'm talking about. Can't even roll a few blocks in a hot heaven, gangster's paradise. We've been at the bottom too long, Chief. No more of that. Now you're back. We're gonna run this town. We can move this shit right. Consolidate our allies. Isolate our enemies. Art of worship. Feel me? Our own gang. The real deal. Now, sure. Groups like O-Rage, Jersey Boys, The Family, they ain't gonna play nice. But they're hurting too. We can't bring them to heel, but we can sure as this is the place. Home sweet home.
Yo, figured it's about time you got some fresh air, huh? But you can't hustle without the right heat. Hit up Buymore. This dude, let's just say, he's a gun-selling machine. Literally. I dropped the location. Tell him I sent you. Might get you a discount.
I know we hate them, can't go to bed.
of that Bobby exclusive intel. Time to put hell of a scoop, right? You got the skills. Stop playing humble. Time to show them what you got. I got a little job with your name on it. And hey, gonna introduce you to someone who might come in handy later.
There's a version of love that goes out of control until, that is, you realize you're running in circles. We have our share of repeat patterns, the same mistakes with different faces. We tell ourselves this time is different. Shout out to those of you who've broken the cycle. We love that for you. And before we get into love drunk by fame, just please learn the difference between the two. To the spot I sent you. Got a surprise.
Check out this setup, huh? Figured if we're gonna put on a show, we should do it right. Listen, the family's cargo ship just pulled in, packed to the brim with smuggled goods. My guy told me there are a few sweet cars in the stash. I thought of you immediately. Can't have my chief running around without wheels, right? routed the whole dock. Security's a joke. Yet these clowns are high as kites. The old-timers in the family think holding turf means no one dares to touch him. And Mirage City doesn't work like that anymore. Here, strength talks. Brains help too. Figured we'd slip inside and grab ourselves a nice souvenir.
Today, chump. Got too high last night?
Yeah, something like that.
Go find a nice hiding spot. Once they run after me, you can grab the car.
How's that, little shit? No, Chump lost your mind. That's not him. Go get him.
All yours now, Chief. Go bag your new ride. I'll keep these turtle heads busy. Woohoo!
Crap, another rat. What's he with that
Got the car? Good. Move it. Move it. I'll catch up.
Another car. Don't let it get away.
Finally ditch those clowns. Come on, Chief. Flip on the radio. Find yourself a victory soundtrack. Sending you a location. Go see Nigel Morse. Best mechanic on the East Coast. No? He's the best mechanic this side of the pond. He's no hometown hero, but Nigel's good people. He remade a couple of stolen cars of mine without question. I just needed to pay extra for his special services. I'll meet up with you later. First, I gotta return this truck. But for now, go enjoy the honeymoon with your new car, Chief.
Over, I hope you're mine. Sleeping around with our memories. Forget about what we used to be. Chasing you down with some jealousy. Another round, never got enough. I guess I missed my shot, but I can let go of the things we wanted. Dreaming all day, goddamn, I fought it. Oh no, how do I fall asleep when you don't call?
Ah, right, you must be Bobby's mate. Bob's your uncle. You picked that up well fast. I'm chuffed. Swing by any time and we'll splash out your wheels, yeah?
There's a version of love that feels out of control until that